10 bay window ideas. The bay windows in this light and airy San Francisco Victorian bedroom are a backdrop for a cozy plant-filled reading nook decorated with hanging and floor plants and a comfy armchair. In the high-spirited London flat of interior designer Sarah Vanreenen, white floors and walls are livened up with mustard, gold and pink accents, and a hanging bubble chair designed by Eero Arnia in 1968 adds a note of fun and a place to chill. The bubble chair's transparent appearance allows light to pass through. Wrap-around white drapes allow curtains to be drawn for privacy at night but blend into the white of the walls and floor when pulled open. In this quietly luxurious bedroom, a spacious bay window seat next to the bed creates a place to drink coffee or wine, read or relax. Gauzy white curtains allow light to pass through while preserving intimacy and privacy. Simple white upholstery creates a comfortable place to sit without looking busy. These bay windows provide an idyllic view of the Kennebunk, Maine seashore. To enhance the already storybook setting, a small model sailboat perches in the central bay window, mimicking the real sailboats on the water. An antique wood table is placed at the same height as the bottom window ledge so as not to interfere with the view. Antique chairs and a warm lamp create a cozy picture within the picturesque view. Bay windows are beautiful on their own, but decorating and placing furniture around them takes finesse. In this clever use of space, a generous bay window becomes a dedicated sun-soaked spot for an indoor hammock perfect for napping no matter the season. The tall bay windows in this spacious dining room create an air of grandeur that do a lot of the interior decorating work on their own, but a saturated peacock blue accent wall, a vintage rug, a large warm wood table and plenty of books and plants ensure it feels like an inviting spot to gather for a meal. This contemporary variation on a bay window creates a spacious window seat for reading or quiet contemplation and a view to the outdoors. The window mimics the traditional shape of a bay window, but panes in varying sizes create interest and update the classic form. This spacious country bathroom has hardwood floors, a giant antique French chandelier and a clawfoot tub that's found its home nestled beneath a large bay window. Here, the bay window is fitted with white, semi-opaque half curtains for privacy while allowing light to pour in and a view of the outdoors from the room or the tub. The bay window seat in this traditional eat-in kitchen, dining room provides extra seating, a place for morning coffee and a source of natural light during daytime. The large dining room table mirrors the proportions of the windows to create structure in the dining area. These large-scale bay windows provide a gorgeous view of neighboring woods, while a built-in banquette upholstered in cheerful yellow fabric and a trunk repurposed as a coffee table create an appealing space to gather. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.